Hey guys, beautiful sunny day, and mostly this video today is about waking up in a car park in South Shields, opposite a beach with a beautiful view, and the fact that it only costs a few quid, £6 for 24 hours, and you get to be in this stunning location. I mean, there's Reg back in the car park. You got miles of beach here, and there's a very good fish and chip shop. In fact, family run business since 1926 called Coleman's Seafood Temple. There's a restaurant, champagne bar, cocktails, and underneath is takeaway. It's open 12 till 7 today, so we will have fish and chips from Coleman's. And there's a bar there called the Sand Dancer, so you've got facilities right on your doorstep. Right in the middle of the car park there's a coffee bar, I think, called Tony Mincello. We're going to have a look at that in a minute. And then through that wall over there you go up onto the promenade and walk down into South Shields, where there's a fun fair going on at the moment, and we'll go and have a look at that because we've got to wander down to Tesco's anywho. And then you've got Priory up on the hill over there, old ruins, and you've got this lovely harbour. Just missed the DFDS ferry from the Netherlands has just come in, Amsterdam I think, and it comes right in here, so we might even catch that going back out in a bit, who knows. But what a beautiful day. It's still early enough for the air to be fresh-ish, I mean nice and fresh air. But the sun's not too hot right now, so I thought we'd get some filming done now. It is just a beautiful place, and so cheap. Car park machines take a little bit of working out. It's one of those ones where you got to type in your registration and stuff like that, and then just guess on how to work it. But anyway, we got there in the end, and £6 for 24 hours when we arrived at 8 o'clock last night. That's nice. So we're just going to have a very chilled out day. We might even sleep here tonight. Let's have a quick look around the car park where we are. There's an event going on down here. I think it's a run. It's one of those weekend community events, I think. It's lots of dog walkers, lots of ships out to sea. A few cars here. It's starting to warm up actually. The sun is it's going to be a hot day today. It's going to be a hot day today. All the runners are lined up and they're having a team talk or something at the moment. All these guys here, look. So, I don't know what the route is. It's pretty mad. This is outside the back of a family pub in Carbury called the Sand Dancer. And they do food here actually. Doesn't look dreadful. Oh, they do breakfast. Well, they're saying that we've got a couple of baps and we've got some bacon we're going to do in a minute probably. But they do breakfast for doggies. They do a doggo breakfast, 2 breakfast sausages, £1.95, bowls of water and treats at the end of the bar. That's pretty cool. Crab Shack, Sand Dancer, beach bar and dining. Oh, these guys are actually setting off now. What's this over here? We've got a fish on the beach.
Yes, you did it. You normally don't.
It's a nice sunny day. So there's nice, so this is Sandhaven Beach in the South Shells, and it's quite a long walk actually down to the sea, but there's a nice little seated area here. You could just waste the day, and if you've got any plastic, any recycling, you can put it inside this big fish. That's pretty cool. There's not enough metal fish art on the coast, is there? I've never seen anything like it. It's brilliant. Loving that. That's the Coleman's restaurant over there. That looks like a boat. The posh bar and restaurants on the top floor. I walked in there with my shorts on last night and thought, a bit underdressed. And that path there goes towards Sunderland. So the runners and walkers are on their way. You've got a surf shop there, stand-up paddle lessons, equipment for hire. It's pretty cool. You've got this old bit of don't know what this is used for. Fair, you could probably get away with parking up on here. That's not a recommendation or a suggestion, but you probably could. And then this is Coleman's long-standing family business, meant to be very good fish and chips. And that's the takeaway bit there, which opens at midday, we hope. Yeah, and that's the Sand Dancer. It's got a very nice protected outdoor area with glass to stop the wind from blowing you away. And then you've got this beachfront road, plenty of buses. There's a pub up there called the New Crown. There's a car park there called the Dragon Car Park. So we're going to have a wander around later. But this is our car park. There's like 3 tiers of parking, and it's quite level at the very back one here. That's your South Promenade South sign there. And this is the parking machine that was a mystery to work out. But once you've done it once, and it does, you can tap and pay, and that's your parking charges there. And then this is Tony Manchella's. What do they actually do here? Well, they got vegan snacks, they got ice creams, they got coffee, milkshakes, hot drinks, soft drinks, muffins, some sweet snacks. Yeah, hot drinks, teas. Yeah, okay, cool. That looks very cool.
The next day.
So there's the van behind us, and we woke up this morning to all this being set up, and we've got a little mini festival going on, organised by different charities. There's Coast, there's Stranger Shores, and there's Beach of Dreams, all different organisations. There's 600 coloured flags here, and it's all about protecting Britain's coastline as far as I can gather. And there's some alternative types dancing amongst the sticks, which is nice. Right, look at all these pennants, these are cool. We'll find out some more information about this, but it's all lovely, isn't it? So colourful, as my mum would say. You alright, darling?
Yes, thank you.
How are you today?
Huh?
What? How are you today?
I'm alright, thanks.
What should we do?
We'll go for a wander.
I think there's meant to be a craft fair, isn't there?
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Can you fill in my pockets with things?
I'm putting the keys in your pocket.
Oh, right, okay. Well, there can be sand, rocks, or money. That's, right, here's. Oh, cool.
So yeah, we're the Wild Oysters project, so we're reintroducing oysters to the North East. So we've got 13 of these cages with about 800 oysters across Sunderland and Ravenna. So we use them for all sorts
Oh,
of
cool.
things.
How are you doing today?
Very well, thank you.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day for it, isn't it?
It is. I think they're going to pick a perfect day.
Yeah. It's, that's the strongest shores. Get that information on there.
I was just having a look at
Right. So we're just coming out of the what's it actually called? Sandhaven. That's Sandhaven Beach.
Yes.
The car park was something south, wasn't it?
South Promenade.
South Promenade, which we've since found out we're not really allowed to park in overnight. So we'll be checking out the
We're checking out the parking fines.
checking out the parking fines at the Rattler.
Ooh, nice.
But here's there's some entertainers. Looks a bit like carnival, doesn't it? Brazilian carnival. I like the fact they squeak when they dance. Very squeaky. There's public toilets there, very popular. This is South Shields seaside music, belting out the tune. I think this is a craft market going on. These are cool. Pardon?
Where are you from?
We're from Crook, near Bishop Auckland,
Right.
and we've got a little motorhome, elderly motorhome called Reg. And we bring our two cats with us, and we go we go camping.
Sunny Shields.
Sunny Shields, yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Do you do all these yourself? Yeah.
Lovely, really nice.
Nice. Coast Larts. Check out Coast Larts, guys. There we go.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Will do. Yeah. Gonna go and get some food and a cup of tea. I've got a sore throat. Yeah. Jams and chutneys. Oh, what's this?
Two gorgeous, beautiful, colour-covered peacocks over silks, everyone. Come to see them, they are absolutely fabulous. And now we're going to go over to Ebony.
Alright, see these ones? Laser. Newcastle United. This is all unofficial merch, of course, isn't it?
I like it.
Yeah. Oh look, Highland Cow. Oak Barrel. What? That's really nice, isn't it? We can make those. Oh. It's all looking lovely, isn't it? Don't know what that is over there.
Lovely stones.
Nice stones, yeah. Necklace. That's nice. Yeah. Not that one. I love these sort of things. Very nice. Oh, the plushies.
Axolotl.
Thanks a lot, all. They look cool. So you can make one of those, can you? Yeah. What else have we got? All local authors.
H1 feeling cute might throw a tantrum later. I think
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, is it baby wear?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, cool.
One with Wild Child on as well.
Yeah. Is that one? It's creative Fabrica, surely.
Yeah.
We could do that though. It's different on a stall than in a shop or whatever. You can get away with more, can't you?
Do you need a receipt sending?
Start some beer, that's why I'm here. Are these 3D printed?
Yeah.
Oh wow. They're getting very popular now.
Everything 3D printed.
Yeah. Everything 3D printed. Well, we're hungry. What have we got here? We've got the fish and chip restaurant called Blue Marlin. We've got the Seaview Cafe, which got recommended for cafe type stuff. Now we're going to make a decision. We come to, where is it? Seaview? Seaview Fish, Seaview Cafe, fish restaurant, takeaway, cafe, whatever you want to call it. It's family owned, Smiths, on the same place since about 1940 something. And for the second time in 2 days I've just had to order fish and chips because I needed them. And there they are. So we got large fish and chips and a bread buttered bun, or a buttered bread bun, whatever order those words should have been in. Because Catters wanted a chip butty. And that cost 12 quid. 12 quid, we're going to eat. Brilliant skateboard, basketball courts and amenities provided by the council over there. And then we got some music going on there with a young little lady singing, doing a bit of karaoke. And then we're coming up to the connectivity scheme. So there's quite a lot of cool facilities provided for by the council.
It's really good.
It's really good. Yeah. And there's lots of footpaths and nature trails and all sorts that you can follow.
Oh, and I'm very impressed. There's bins everywhere and there's a van keeps going around emptying them all the time, which is lovely to see.
It's a very cool, very busy council doing their job, isn't it?
Mm.
Which is a rare thing nowadays.
Seems to be.
Yeah. You got the coffee shop, you got Smoky Joe's traditional German sausages. Oh,
Oh, speaking of which, there's a litter picker over there, bless him.
yeah, and there's
There is no litter anywhere.
no, it's very, very clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
High vis guy picking the litter. No, I've been very impressed with the general air of cleanliness, and I mean they rake that beach, don't they? Like
Yeah.
it's like they're looking after a golf course. So if the storm sands come over too high, guy was saying the other day the sands were actually higher than the cars in the car park, and they've got a load of big yellow plant machinery which they use to put the beach back together again. Now I haven't had donuts for years, but a box of donuts with toppings for £9. I think I can go without. I've just had the fish and chips from Smith's, and that was very good. Very good. Cooked to order, fresh. Remained very hot throughout. And you enjoyed your bacon. No, not bacon. Your butty, didn't you?
Yes, it was lovely.
Yeah, chip butty.
With fish in it too.
Yeah, and there's fish and chips here as well. Yeah. But yeah, there's a good selection of food, more than you shake a stick at really. Plenty of pubs. Tesco's Express, about 10 minutes walk up the road. There's an Asda, 10-15 minutes walk along the prom. But the weather this weekend is it's better than the south of France, isn't it?
I don't know what it's like in the south of France this weekend.
Well, it's too expensive to go south of France anyway. £6 a night, I'm not leaving the UK. Dunes galore up there, look. Lots of different types of terrain to enjoy yourself on. And lots of really quite cool pre-formed concrete, which is not a sentence I normally find myself saying. No. But there's lots of rest stops and points of interest and sand breaks and benches. So it's all benches on that side, and on this side they printed lovely designs to match the grass up there in the dunes. It's just like a lot of thought has gone into this walking area. And that's the world famous Rattler bar there.
Is it world famous?
Yeah, world famous for being able to park your motorhome overnight for £4.
Oh yes, that's true.
And it's got a restaurant and a bar. It's right next door to the Shallows, Sandhaven Shallows. So it's more and more like the south of France, the more you think about it. Oh man. Even the dogs speak French in South Shields.
Do they though?
I see, I might have to Google check that. But just look at this vista that comes into play as you walk up this lovely, really nice flat surface, easy to walk on. And there's tractors and litter bins everywhere. But look at this sand, it's so well looked after. If it ever moves away from the beach, the council come along and put it back on the beach. That's crazy, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It's so mad. You know? I mean, look at that for a picture of peace and tranquility and beauty. That sea looks beautiful. I might even try and get in it, do you think?
Gosh, darling, careful.
I don't know what means we could use. What is there?
Well, you could put your shorts on and go for a little paddle.
Shorts?
Shorts and have a little paddle.
Do I own shorts?
Yes, you do.
Okay, well, we might look into that, but we've just had fish and chips, so we don't want to go in the water just yet because we might sink. And it's never a good look. Walking back past the craft market from the other side. It's quite cool just having it in that covered
Sheltered, so it's like
sheltered
a
walkway. Yeah, and then there's more up top that you can walk up on up there. Might get to show you later on if we have a little walk later up there. And then you've got this amazing beach scene with the flags, 600 flags. 600 flags.
Έλα, Βίκτορ. Πάμε εκεί στο που είναι όλοι. Πάμε εκεί να παίξετε εκεί, ρε παιδιά. Όπα, όπα.
Oh, that's interesting. We'll actually do, we'll check this out online when we get back and whack it back into the video. Cool. Song of the Oyster Reef. I wonder if I can get that from somewhere. Yeah. Our coast. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome bit of kinetic art, I suppose you call it. And I wonder if this QR code will come out on the video. More information there. beachofdreams.org.
Basically, it's advertisement for you.
People are sharing their hopes and dreams and pinning them on the washing line for their commitments to keeping the coast a better place in 50 years' time.
Remember when she done some activity?
Oh, where are we now?
Back at good old Range.
There's the Home Sweet Home, Reg the Eardley Moho. Right, I think we're going to end up having a rest this afternoon. We'll see you in a bit.
Sorry. Yes. Very colourful.
Very colourful, guys.
There's more coming out. There's a nice little gap in the wall just there, where I was standing to video this lot coming down.
Oh, I sketched the front of it.
I did.
quite cool, isn't it?
Love it.
But it's warm doing this though.
Yeah.
Azul.
I want one of those.
Right?
I want one of those there. I want
Yeah. Yeah. Is there more to set off?
Yeah, there's another one.
How far they're going all the way to their end, do you think?
I did take a hay fever pill this morning,
Oh, did you?
but I cried.
Are you crying?
It's hay fever, you twit.
Oh. Oh, what's this like? Different sound system. So we had the Creative Seed, we had Azul,
Yeah.
now we got these guys. And I might have missed a couple of names in between, I don't know. Yeah, I can catch the start. That's the start down there where I was standing.
I think they're all going to.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to go off in different sections. I've been waiting a while to start now. And off they go. Any more?
No, I think that's it.
Well, it's kind of like a diggers now. And this fish is cool.
Yeah.
I think I filmed him yesterday, but just in case we didn't get enough of him. A recycling fish. Fill him with all your plastic. Right, doggy.
I think I might.
Oh, reminds me of my favourite curry. This does.
Komatsu katsu.
Komatsu katsu curry. The big yellow lined up on the beach. We love it. Komatsu, Komatsu, Komatsu. There's a cool leaf house at the back there. And these big tippers. These big tippers. Awesome.
The surf school.
Yep.
I saw a lot of people having sup lessons down there earlier on.
And then we got the cool surf shop. Surfing England, surf school, surf shop. There's a temporary one on the beach now. There's the view, guys. There's There's a view.
See, the beach is packed as always. Oh, there's the surf school going on.
Yeah.
Stop boarding.
Got to be the most people I've ever seen on a beach in the north.
Yeah, true.
These are just dog walkers. But with it being an urban beach location. Oh, it's like Rio de Janeiro, isn't it?
We should have the carnival come by.
Yeah. So, just like being in Brazil, actually. Apart from the fact that it's better. Can't live in Brazil for £6 a night, can you? Well, maybe you can.
Maybe you can.
New lifeguard, huh?
Portable.
Or mobile. Scene of last night's shenanigans.
Sand dancer.
The sand dancer. Bar.